Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Simple Speak English. Thank you for spending this time with me. Today we will talk about something very important: confidence at work. Many people feel nervous at work. Some people are afraid to speak in meetings. Some people have good ideas, but they stay silent. Some people want to ask questions, but they worry too much. Some people think, my English is not perfect, so I should not speak. But today I want to tell you something important. You do not need perfect English to be confident. You do not need a loud voice to be confident. You do not need to know everything to be confident. Real confidence is calm. Real confidence is clear. Real confidence is steady. Real confidence is trusting yourself. Take one slow breath with me. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Good. Let us begin. Many people think confidence means talking a lot. But that is not true. Some people talk loudly and speak all the time, but they are not confident. Sometimes they are only nervous. A truly confident person often speaks simply. They speak clearly. They listen carefully. They stay calm. They do not try to impress everyone. They just communicate well. That is real power. Now let us talk about meetings. Meetings can feel stressful. Maybe your manager asks, "Does anyone have an idea?" Then the room becomes quiet. Your heart beats faster. You look down. You hope someone else speaks first. Many people know this feeling. But confidence can start with one simple sentence. You can say, "I'd like to share an idea." That is all. Simple, professional, strong. Or you can say, "I have a suggestion," or "May I add something?" These are small sentences, but they can change your career. Because when you speak, people notice you. They remember you. They see that you care. They see leadership. Now repeat after me. I'd like to share an idea. Good. I have a suggestion. Very nice. May I add something? Excellent. Now let us talk about questions. Some people think asking questions looks weak, but this is not true. Good questions show intelligence. Good questions show attention. Good questions prevent mistakes. You can say, "Could you explain that again?" You can say, "Can you give an example?" You can say, "Just to confirm, do you mean this?" These are excellent work phrases. Strong people ask clear questions. Weak people pretend to understand. Remember that. Now let us talk about your voice. When people feel nervous, they often speak too fast. Their words run away. Their breathing becomes short. Their voice becomes small. So what should you do? Slow down. Take one breath before speaking. Then speak a little slower than normal. This makes you sound calm. This makes you sound clear. This makes you sound confident. Let us practice. Say, "I can handle this." Good. Now slower. "I can handle this." Excellent. Now say, "Let me explain." Very good. Now say, "I understand." Nice job. You see? Slow speaking feels stronger. Now let us talk about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes at work. Everyone. Native speakers make mistakes. Managers make mistakes. Successful people make mistakes. The difference is this: confident people continue. They do not collapse because of one small mistake. Imagine you say one wrong word in a meeting. That is okay. Smile. Correct yourself. Continue speaking. Most people will not even care. They are thinking about themselves. Do not let small mistakes become big fear. Now let us talk about daily confidence. Confidence does not only happen in meetings. It happens in small moments too. When you arrive in the morning, say hello. Good morning, how are you? Hope your day is going well. Did you have a nice weekend? These small conversations build comfort. When people know you, work becomes easier. Relationships create confidence. Now let us talk about email confidence. Many people write too softly. They apologize too much. They say, "Sorry to bother you." Sorry again. Sorry for asking. Sometimes sorry is useful, but too much sorry sounds unsure. Try these instead. I'd appreciate your help with this. Please review this when you have time. I'm following up on my previous message. Thank you for your time. Clear language sounds confident. Polite language sounds professional. Now imagine your boss asks a question, but you do not know the answer. Do not panic. Do not guess wildly. Say, "I'm not sure yet, but I'll check and get back to you." That is a powerful sentence. Honest, calm, responsible. Or say, "Let me confirm the details first." Very professional. Remember this. You do not need all answers immediately. Do not panic. Do not guess wildly. Say, I'm not sure yet, but I'll check and get back to you. That is a powerful sentence. Honest, calm, responsible. Or say, let me confirm the details first. Very professional. Remember this. You do not need all answers immediately. You need honesty in action. Now I want to give you a simple daily confidence plan. Ready? Number 1. Speak once in every meeting, even one sentence. That is enough. Number 2. Ask one question each day. Number 3. Stand tall and breathe slowly before speaking. Number 4. Replace fear thoughts. Instead of, what if I fail? Say, what if I do well? Instead of, my English is bad. Say, my English is improving. Instead of, I am nervous. Say, I am growing. Words change the mind. Now let us imagine a real work situation. Your manager says, any ideas for improving service? You say, I'd like to share an idea. We could reply faster to customers. Excellent. Another situation. Your coworker explains something confusing. You say, could you explain that one more time? Excellent. Another situation. Someone asks for information you do not know. You say, I'm not sure yet, but I'll check and let you know. Perfect. You are building real confidence now, step by step, sentence by sentence, day by day. Please remember this truth. Confidence is not something magical. Confidence is practice. Confidence is repetition. Confidence is action. Confidence grows every time you speak, even when you feel nervous, especially when you feel nervous. So this week, choose one brave action at work. Speak once, ask once, share one idea, start one conversation, send one clear email. That small step can change many things. And remember, your English does not need to be perfect. Your voice matters now. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Thank you for learning with Simple Speak English. If this lesson helped you, subscribe and join me again. Keep growing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself, and I will see you next time.